The best way to avoid being scammed in forex trading or in anything is actually to never deposit money to any person that you see anywhere, okay, with the idea of getting the profits back or the returns back. It doesn't work that way. Never. Okay, so the only thing that you must do is to check the broker. The only way for you to trade is to deposit money in the broker's account. And what broker will broker? That broker will be a registered broker, and then first make the research on internet. Just Google that, the name of the broker, and see if it exists or not, and then check their email, anything. Okay, log in the website, verify those things, because now there are a lot of people out there who are pretending to be brokers. There are a lot of people out there who will say, send me that money, I will deposit for you in the broker and stuff, and then they don't know that person runs away with your money. Okay, we have these things in online, where in Facebook and stuff, where people will be saying, okay, I will trade for you. Okay, so these things works like this. You will be giving that person your accounts. Me and you and our friends will give that person accounts. Let's say we are 10. Okay, if we are 10, that person will take those accounts and then trade for us one by one. That person won't open the same positions. Okay, he may take a buy on my account and then take sell on your account. And then remember, if he makes profit on one of us, he will demand the 50% uh, money, 50% of that profit. So that person is not losing anyway. If he opens a buy on my side and then opens a sell on your side, anyway he gets to get his 50% either from me or you. Okay, so he's not risking anything, but you are giving him your account to make that bet. Actually, it's just an over. It's not even a bet, because if he blows your account, he loses nothing. Tomorrow you will keep on advising for. You will keep on inviting people to give him his their accounts. With that, if he have 10 people, if he can get profit for only 5 people, he will demand 50% from those people. All of them, they will have to give him 50% of that profit that he made. So in fact, that person is always winning at the end of the day, and the people who are joining are most likely to lose. He's like a casino himself. Okay, so avoid those thing of giving people accounts. They will never work for you. It works for them. It's never on your advantage. The only thing that you do, you deposit in a forex broker which is regulated. Make sure they are regulated. Verify, check the reviews online to check if their thing exists, and if you are talking to the right people. Okay, sharp. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and then check in my description. By the time when you find this video, you'll find that there's something important for you that I think you may need, or you actually will actually help you. Check in my description, check what I've wrote, and then if there's any link or something, try to go there and find useful things there. I think I will only put useful things in my description. So the best thing, always check my description in the video. This is actually in audio, but I'll put links in my description to help you navigate on these confusing things, which is forex.